Math 3, Unit 6, Geometric Figures and Proofs. As you start this unit, here's a quote about mathematics that you can reflect on. One should study mathematics simply because it helps to arrange one's ideas. The big idea for this unit includes quadrilaterals and their properties through the lens of proof. You will be using the ways of knowing to construct logical arguments to prove theorems and rules. You will use multiple types of proofs and explore the relationships between congruent shapes. In the first lesson of this unit, you will investigate the ways of knowing discussed in Math 2. You will make connections between the ways of knowing and the stages you go through to develop a formal proof. You will review triangle congruence proofs and all forms of formal proof. In the next lesson, you will focus on the properties of parallelograms. You will not only focus on their properties and attributes, but also which and how many attributes would be necessary to prove that a shape is a parallelogram. You will continue to solidify your concept of proof and congruence. The next lesson moves into the different types of parallelograms and all of their properties. You will continue to explore what is necessary to prove a shape is a particular type of parallelogram and how to formalize a proof. The unit wraps up with looking at the different centers of a triangle. You will investigate how to find the centers, the properties of the points, and the circles they create. Here is a list of key vocabulary terms for this unit. Some of these vocabulary terms should already be familiar to you from previous courses. Here are some key skills needed to be successful with the content of this unit. You should be able to identify angle relationships in triangles and parallel and intersecting lines, vertical angles, alternate interior angles, etc. You should know the rules and properties for congruent triangles, side, 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 angle, side, etc. And identify mathematical properties, such as the transitive property, reflexive property, property of equality, and etc. In addition to your teacher and school-based resources, there are several additional resources available. The Ready, Set, Go homework help videos are housed in the Canvas site for your class. You can access these in Canvas using your student login. If you do not know how to log into Canvas, ask your teacher for help. The K-12 Math Resources website, which can be found on your school's website, includes additional support items such as unit and lesson overviews, videos overviewing the tasks, essential vocabulary, the North Carolina standards for each unit, learning targets for each lesson, and extra practice problems.